Welcome to qnawire.
So let's find the Laplace transform of the first part A. Remember, Laplace transform of delta of t is 1. And if you use the scaling property, Laplace transform of delta of 3t will be 1 by 3 into, anyway it will be 1. And 2 is there outside. So Laplace transform of 2 times delta of 3t is equal to 2 by 3. And what is Laplace transform of u of t? It is 1 by s. So what will be Laplace transform of u of 2t? It will be 1 by 2 into 1 by s by 2. That is nothing but 1 by s. So Laplace transform of 6 times u of 2t will be 6 by s. And what is Laplace transform of e power minus at? It is 1 by s plus a. So what is Laplace transform of 4 e power minus 2t? It is 4 by s plus 2, and this is 10 by s plus 3. So the final answer for the first question is 2 by 3 plus 6 by s plus 4 by s plus 2 minus 10 by s plus 3. Let's do part B now. It is t e power minus t u of t minus 1. So t e power minus t u of t minus 1. Can I write this as t minus 1 plus 1 into e power minus of t minus 1 into e power minus 1 into u of t minus 1? Yes, we can write. So if you split it, I'll be getting e power minus 1 into t minus 1 e power minus of t minus 1 u of t minus 1 plus e power minus 1 into e power minus of t minus 1 u of t minus 1. So that is e power minus 1. I'll call this function as some g of t, and I'll call this function as some h of t. Now what is the Laplace transform of e power minus t u of t? It is 1 by s plus 1. Now there is a property. What is Laplace transform of e power? If Laplace transform of f of t is f of s, what is the Laplace transform of f of t minus t naught? It is e power minus s t naught times f of s. So tell me, what will be the Laplace transform of e power minus of t minus 1 u of t minus 1? It will be e power minus s into 1 by s plus 1. So that means, and this is my h of t. So that means h of s is equal to e power minus s divided by s plus 1. Later on we'll multiply this e power minus 1. Now let's go to g of t. What is Laplace transform of e power minus t u of t? It is 1 by s plus 1. What is Laplace transform of t times e power minus t u of t? So when you multiply time, then it becomes, so there is a property, Laplace transform of f of t is f of s, then Laplace transform of t f of t will be what? It will be minus d f of s divided by ds. So what will be the Laplace transform of t times e power minus t? It will be negative of, what is the derivative of 1 by s plus 1? It is minus 1 by s plus 1 the whole square. So basically it is 1 by s plus 1 whole square. But what will be the Laplace transform of t minus 1 e power minus of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1? It will be e power minus s divided by s plus 1 whole square. And this is my g of s. So the final answer is e power minus 1 into g of s plus h of s. So g of s is e power minus s by s plus 1 whole square, and h of s is e power minus s by s plus 1. So basically for part B, the final answer is e power minus of s plus 1 into s plus 2 divided by s plus 1 the whole square. So this will be the answer. For part C, the function is cos 2t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. What is the Laplace transform of cos 2t u of t? It will be s by s square plus 2 square, that is 4. So what will be the time shifting? Cos of 2t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. By using previous property, it will be e power minus s into s by s square plus 4. So this is the answer for the part C. This function I can write it as sine 4t into u of t plus minus sine 4t into u of t minus pi. Now we can write minus sine 4t as sine of 4t minus 4 pi. 4t minus 4 pi, minus sign I'll keep it outside because sine is periodic with period 2 pi, so 2k pi, so I'll keep minus here and u of t minus pi, because this is same as sine 4t, because minus 4 pi is an even multiple of 2 pi or a multiple of 2 pi. Now what is the Laplace transform of this? The Laplace transform of this is 4 by s square plus 16 minus, this is time shifted by pi, so it is e power minus pi s into 4 by s square plus 16. So this is the final answer for the part B.